We are going to try work out some examples regarding the rules of indices. Starting with the first one here, which involves the product rule. And according to product rule, when multiplying two values, you add their powers. Like in this case, we have 2 raised to 2 multiplied by 2 raised to 3. According to the product rule, we are going to because so we shall have 2 raised to 3, 2 plus 3, I mean, which is 2 raised to 5. And 2 raised to 5 is obviously 32. Now, to make this one evident, we know that 2 raised to 2 here is the same as 2 by 2. This gives us a 4. While 2 raised to 3 is 2 times 2 by 2, which gives us 8. And if we multiply the 2, that is 4 by 8, also gives us 32. You can see the results here are still the same. Now, let's look at another example here, which involves what we call the quotient rule, which states that when you divide two values, you subtract the powers. Like in this case, we are taking 4x raised to 3 divided by x raised to 2. And the quotient rule here applies only on x, so 4 is going to remain the way it is, and so that we shall have 4 multiplied by x raised to 3 subtract 2, and this one is 4 multiplied by x raised to 1, which is actually 4x. Now, how about values where we have different variables? Like in this case here, we have a's, b's, and c's, and this one is a combination. We're going to use the combination of the product rule and the quotient rule, and these rules, they apply on values of the same basis. For example, 3 here, we are not going to apply the rule in 3, so 3 remains, multiplied by a raised to 3 divided by a, multiplied by b raised to 2 divided by b. We multiply that by c raised to 4 over c raised to negative 2. So this 3 here is where our quotient rule is going to apply. Starting with this one here, we shall take 3 subtract 1, because a here is raised to 1, multiplied by b raised to 2 subtract 1, multiplied by c, and 4 subtract negative 2, right? Because here we have c raised to negative 2, so we subtract that one, and of course without forgetting our 3. And this one simplifies to 3 times, and the difference here is a raised to 2 multiplied by 2 subtract 1, we get b, multiplied by 4 subtract negative 2 is the same as 4 add 2, and that gives us 6. So our value of c here is going to be raised to 6, right? And the value becomes 3 a raised to 2 b c raised to 6. There is one more thing I would like us to consider under the quotient rule. Considering c raised to 4 and c raised to negative 2, this c raised to negative 2 can cross the horizontal line, and then the sign of the power here changes, and that is, you shall have c raised to 4 and then by c raised to positive 2, and from product rule here we shall have c raised to 4 added to 2, which is c raised to 6. All right. The other thing you need to note is that the rules of indices only apply to values of the same basis. Yeah. If you have a number or a figure like x over y, yeah, let's say that one raised to 3 and this one raised to 2, you can't say that x raised to 3 over y raised to 2 is equals to x or y raised to 3 minus 2. That is, this is very wrong, because x and y are not the same. So when you're working out such kind of problems, you need to take note of that.